Are you filling Form 124 wrong and paying extra tax? Don't worry, this step-by-step guide will make it super simple. Form 124 has just two parts. Part A is your personal details, and Part B is where you claim deductions. Start with Part A. Fill your basic details like your name, PAN, contact, and tax year carefully. Here, tax year is a newly introduced term. We have filled with some dummy text for your reference. For example, tax year 2026-27 means income earned from April 1, 2026 to March 31, 2027. Make sure you select the correct year.
Part B is the most important section in this form. Here you declare the details of HRA, LTA, home loan and deductions.
In HRA, mention complete details of landlord, relationship with the landlord, rent amount paid and PAN of the landlord if rent amount is above 1 lakh per annum. Incorrect details may lead to rejection. For LTA, enter travel details and claim only eligible expenses like travel tickets, hotel bills. Keep your travel proofs ready. Don't claim any bogus experiences. In home loan section, fill lender name, interest and principal paid for the tax year. Generally, lender will be bank in most of the cases. So, fill the same. Use bank certificate for accuracy. This is the most important part in the entire form. Deductions. Before, we used to fill chapter VI deductions like ATC, ATCC, ATD, ATG, etc. while submitting 12BB form.
Now, as per the new Income Tax Act, the sections are changed. Also, the deductions are redefined. Before filling each part, check your eligibility.
This section includes only your savings, like your contribution deposited in Provident Fund, premium paid by you for life insurance policy. Fill these columns if amounts are actually paid or deposited during the year. Otherwise, don't claim. ZRAD. This section 124 includes pension contributions like NPS. In this, you can claim your employer contribution and your own contribution towards NPS. Fill these columns with accurate amounts deposited during the year. Yes. This section includes health insurance premiums paid for you and your family. If you paid the premium actually during the year, claim the deduction to extent of paid amount only. Otherwise, excess claim or claim without payment leads to penalty.
This section deals with the home loans, education loans taken by you and repaying the principal and interest. Check your home loan, education loan certificates before filling this part. This section deals with the donations made by you to specified funds, trusts and any institutions during the year. Just keep the receipts of donations with you while filling the form for accuracy. Did you fill the HRA portion? For HRA, submit rent agreement, rent payment receipts, landlord PAN and payment proof. Claimed all the deductions under 123? Then keep this with you ready. PF statement, LEC receipts, and investment proofs. For pension claims, keep salary slips and NPS statement with you. Also, you used to have Form 16 which is now changed to Form 130. Remember this.
For loan claims, attach interest certificate, loan statement, and sanction letter. Remember only interest part of payment to be calculated. Found this helpful? Like, share, and follow for more simple tax tips. Subscribe if you don't want to miss the updates. This is for knowledge purpose only. For exact filing, consult your CA. And if you have any doubts, drop them in the comments.